So here's how we're going to change the triple click on the iPad. Let me talk about it. And if you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the triple click action is, of course, when you click the top button or, this like power button 3 times in a row, and it will change into or activate some sort of feature, right? And if you want to change what feature it activates, you can open up the settings app and proceed to the accessibility section. And at the bottom of the list, we have, or you should be able to find the accessibility shortcut. And when you get there, you'll see so many features, like a list of features, and some of them might have the blue check mark next to it. And this is indicating which of the features is actually going to be activated when you triple click the side button, right? So you can see you can have so many of them turned on, but you can only go with as few as 2 or 1. Right? And this depends on which feature you want this feature to be triggered, right? Because if you have like more than one, if you have 2 and more selected, then whenever you perform the gesture, you're going to get a menu of the features to pick between, right? So you triple click the button, decide what's supposed to be triggered, and you're good. But if you only select one, then it's not going to have any pop-up or anything like that. It will straight just enable the action and it will make it work. So it depends on how you have it set up. As you can tell, one more thing though is the guided access, which is not clickable. And that's because you have to come back and then check out the specific guided access menu and turn it off in here if you don't ever want to use it again for the triple click. So that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to find it on your device, on the iPad of your own. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.